This video shows an example of the ATS Advanced configuration in C4 system. ATS Advanced is communicating with its devices through RS485 system databus. Communication between ATS Advanced and C4 server is based on TCP/IP communication over LAN or WAN network. C4 system is configured through its own C4 client application, which is also run over LAN or WAN network. Before setting configuration in C4, ATS Advanced needs to be configured with Titan software. Titan must be configured prior to activating connection. See Titan Help for details. In this example, we connected to ATS Advanced with USB cable through its port COM8. Click Activate to connect to the ATS Advanced. After successful connection to the device, synchronization needs to be done to download all the configuration settings. For use with C4, make sure that the Juris method is set to increment last digit. Pin mode is set to custom, and force set option is turned on. Because C4 server connects to ATS Advanced over TCP/IP, IP address needs to be configured. Save your changes by running download to ATS Advanced. Now we can switch to C4 client, which connects to C4 server using TCP/IP connection. Creating device configuration in C4 system through C4 client is very intuitive. First step is to create bus controller, which represents TCP/IP connection point. ATS Advanced has its RG45 port located directly on the main board. Connect C4 server and ATS Advanced RG45 port with UTP cable to establish TCP/IP connection. Fill in the mandatory fields, which are in this case name and IP address of the ATS Advanced. Enter the same IP address you set up in Titan. ATS-A Central Security System Unit represents ATS Advanced Central Unit. All other elements like areas, devices or inputs can be created under the Central Unit. DGP device represents DGP expander module. DGP address in C4 system is the same as in Titan. Group represents areas, and again, addressing is the same as in Titan. Doors are only virtual elements which exist in C4 without any address. Sensor represents inputs or zones. Up to 8 zones can be connected to the main board. There is a variety of icons to choose from for each sensor. Address of each sensor or zone can be read from Titan. Output in C4 system has the same meaning as output in Titan. For example, external siren is an output. Outputs are connected directly to the main board. Again, all address data can be found in Titan. Under doors, add keyboard or card reader, depending on the configuration. RAS devices are communicating with Central Unit using RS485 system databus. RS485 system databus connects directly to the main board. Again, keyboard and reader address can be found in Titan. On the DGP module, add sensors depending on real configuration. After creating all elements, simply drag and drop each zone to area according to the configuration in Titan. Now we are ready to connect to the device. First, turn on status to see real status of each element and then start communication by clicking on Run command. Now we are successfully connected to the device. You can click the Events tab to display log from the device and to check if everything is okay. To check if the system is configured properly, we can arm the Area 1. After running the ARM command, area status color changes to green. After the steps, ATS Advanced is fully manageable by C4 system, and you can start cards and codes configuration according to C4 user manual.